Hello and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. It is Tablescape Tuesday. Tablescape Tuesday is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Tonight's guest host is Mercy Beauty of Styles. The theme is white and gold tablescape. I am so excited about entering into the Christmas season. We have done away with all the pumpkins, all of the leaves, and now it's time to get into the ornaments. Snowflakes, reindeer, snowmen, mistletoes, decorating our Christmas trees. Yes, viewers, it's that time of year once again. So excited! I'm just curious, how soon do you take down your Thanksgiving decorations and put up your Christmas decor? Personally, Thanksgiving after dinner, so that's Thanksgiving afternoon, I go right into taking all of my Thanksgiving, fall decor down, and then I go ahead and just have a blank canvas if I haven't pre-planned what I'm going to put up. But normally Thanksgiving evening is when everything comes down and put back up into storage. And then a few days later, and sometimes maybe the next day, depending on if I do Black Friday shopping or not, to see what's out there on sale, I go right into decorating for Christmas. So just in your comments, after you leave me a thumbs up, let me know, how soon do you go into decorating for Christmas? And I know a lot of us here on YouTube, we decorate, we do some Christmas decorating during the fall because, we have certain collaborations that we're working on. But normally, I'm just curious how you guys normally do it.